afternoon, sir. My comments, we just agreed to what we have discussed earlier. So every comment, sir, my comments in behalf of the GAN office is already included in the comments of the city legal department.
Thank you, Ms. Janet. And Doc Ronnie, baka po makapagbigay kayo ng insights and comments for this ordinance. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I'd like to propose on uh, section 4B on the inclusion of medical and psychological intervention. Maybe we can go directly to accessible primary health services such as gender affirming consultation, guidance, and counseling. So we remove the medical and psychological intervention. Anyway, it was enumerated naman on the following places. So instead of doing accessible primary health services, including medical, psychological, we remove including medical and psychological. We go straight to primary health services such as gender affirming consultation, guidance, counseling. Those exclude all actual medical interventions.
Thank you, Doc Ronnie. From my colleagues, are there any questions or comments? Okay, siguro before we get our comments from our colleagues, baka may question po ang ating mga barangay officials, ang ating mga NGOs, ang ating mga SHS, at ating mga healthcare workers na nandito po ngayong araw ito. So we just like to reiterate that kindly wait to be acknowledged before you speak. Kapag hawak niyo na po yung microphone, pakisabi po yung inyong pangalan at ang inyong barangay because our city secretary is here to record your comments. Tapos make it brief lang po so that makasagot rin naman po yung mga resource persons natin tsaka yung mga council natin or may put into record po yung inyong komento kung hindi naman po ito katanungan. So can we start po? Allow me to facilitate po the question and answer. Pwede po ba lumapit? Meron po tayong dalawang mikropono sa left and right gallery po natin. Sige po, sino po?
I would like to first recognize our councilor here, Councilor Wency Lagumpay from District 3.
Go ahead, Brian. Sige po.
And Councilor Joseph Lico from District 1 also.
Can we ask, meron po ba gusto tumayo at magtanong? Sige po, we're giving you po a few minutes. Meron pa po ba? Again po, i-reiterate lang po natin na ang deadline po sa position paper, kung ayaw niyo po magtanong po ngayon, ang deadline po natin sa position paper is on October 9, lunchtime po, 12 noon, yung time po para sa consideration po ng ating Committee on Laws ng 1 o'clock.
Good afternoon po.
Please state your name.
I am Raymart Brian Garcia, Barangay Tagawad from Barangay Commonwealth, also transgender woman. I just want to tell my story also. As a trans. I've been partnered with PLF Share during my SK term. We did Trans Health 101 in our barangay. Gusto ko lang po i-share din sa mga barangay officials and also sa mga tao po dito kung ano po yung buhay siguro ng pagiging isang transgender woman para po ma-isip or ma-figure out po ninyo why this kind of ordinance is inilalatag po natin sa konseho. Ako po bilang isang transgender woman, nakikita ko po na marami po akong kaibigan ng mga kabataan po na maagang nagta-transition and kulang na kulang po yung access on trans health, lalo-lalo na po no, sa pagkakaroon po ng mga clinic na merong endocrinologist na pwede pong magbigay ng guidance and also proper medication po sa amin sa pagta-transition po ng pag-undergo ng hormonal replacement therapy. So, sinabi po ni Atty. kanina baka on the psychological matter lang and then mental health. If ever po the city considered na baka pwede po kami matulungan on the not about gender affirming tawag dito po, assistance, but also magkaroon po ng libreng konsulta sa mga endocrinologists, and also po na support din yung pagkakaroon ng age restriction na sinabi nga kanina, or hormonal replacement therapy. And I believe din naman po that Quezon City and the government should be for the people regardless of religious belief and background. So we must consider also all the key citizens regardless also of their genders and beliefs. And ako po bilang isang transgender woman and half ng Committee on Health, I will support po the ordinance, the STAR ordinance of the Quezon City. And I would like to commend Mayor Joy Belmonte for also supporting this. Thank you.